Hi, I'm Amanda Davis coming to you from ThinkUp Studios. The assessment has now been given and now it's time to see if any of our students might need interventions. In this learning module, we'll be talking about the interventions that are found in ThinkUp Math. Assessment is designed to gain a better understanding of student knowledge of the standard. The next step is to provide further instruction and clarification to those who have not yet reached concept attainment. Several intervention activities are included to utilize with those students who haven't quite mastered the unit-focused TEKS. These activities are more interactive and hands-on to build student understanding. In this unit, there are 4 intervention activities followed by a formative assessment. As an instructor, you can decide which activities would best meet the needs of your students.